Good afternoon, guys, and welcome to another exciting episode of Marketing in the Zone. So, guys, as discussed earlier, we will be discussing a lot more about author hacks today. Okay, and guys, we are also excited because we have the list for what we are going to do next week. Okay, so we'll just do a little update, guys, and then we'll move on to the author hacks. Okay. So guys, some of the topics that we'll be touching in the second half of the day, which is in the afternoon period, the same period as of now, would be we'll be talking a lot about. There have been a lot of requests, guys, about to divulge more into ABM step-by-step strategy. Okay, so as in we had discussed the whole flow for ABM strategy, we will be doing a lot more detailed out. We will be discussing each of the steps in the ABM strategy in the second half from tomorrow, from Monday onwards. Okay, and guys, the first half of the day we will be doing a lot more to do with some of the latest trending topics of marketing. Okay, so from 17th August, guys, we are going to be talking about gamification, blind spot marketing, ninja link building techniques, guerrilla marketing, ninja referral marketing techniques, ICP, or the ideal customer profile, that how to go about with it, how to create it, everything in that, and then marketing unicorns. Okay, I mean, how to develop a marketing unicorn, how to find them, or how to actually become one. Okay, so we'll be discussing a lot of these topics next week, guys. Okay, so we have a power packed next week. So guys, that's about next week's video plan. Okay, and guys, with that, let's just hop back into author author hacks. Okay, so guys, some of the top author hacks which I have personally kind of discovered after writing about 30 books and being read in a lot of other places is that I have to keep on writing, guys. There is no shortcut to writing correctly. Okay, so guys, I could try to become a perfectionist, but if I don't aim for the center, I might actually shoot out any number of arrows. I will never hit the target. Okay, so I can try to be stylish, guys. I can try to be the biggest author. Okay, but if I don't know how to write, regardless of the condition, I will never be able to write, guys. Okay, so and the best way to learn how to write, or to become a better author, is to keep on writing, is to keep on writing, is to keep on reading, and to keep on improving thereon. Okay, and guys, as I said before, don't aim for perfection, at least aim for the center. Okay, so if the moment you let go of the arrow, you will hit the center. Okay, so guys, that's my way of that's my shortest way of doing writing the perfect script or the perfect book. Okay, I don't aim for the other sides, I just aim for the center. I just aim to complete the book and try to market it the right way, the best way that I can. Okay, and guys, I can't stress enough about how many times should you be reading. Even Warren Buffett reads about 500 words per day, guys. Okay, I mean, he's the richest guy, and still, if he reads about 500 words per day, Bill Gates and the other big tycoons actually read about 10 to 20 pages per day. Understand, where should you be as a writer? Where should you be, and what should be your reading speed per day, or reading number of pages or number of blogs per day? That's what you have to decide. Create a target and go on reading as per that. Okay, and guys, I can't stress enough, for an author the biggest appreciation is getting their muse who read their work as they would. Okay, what I mean by that is, guys, whenever you write a certain article or you write a certain blog, there is a thought in your mind. Okay, and if there is a person who meets you, who says, I have read your written piece in the same context, or in the same with the same idea that you wrote, that's when you can say that you have become a writer, or you have actually achieved your mark. Okay, so guys, that's a very hard thing to achieve, so I definitely request you to keep on writing, to ensure that there is someone, at least someone in your family or in your close counters, who reads that material and gives you inputs. Okay, guys, these are very important and crucial inputs. I mean, I can say the same thing for a lot of other normal authors as well. Okay, you don't need to be writing a book every time, but you could be a normal content writer and you would need the same kind of tricks. Okay, and guys, I have used a lot of tools, and what actually worked for me was Hemingway app and Grammarly. I can't stress enough, on any grammatical mistake which happens, guys. People just stop reading whatever you write from there on. Okay, so it could be the most slightest mistake, it could be the most silliest of mistakes, but mistakes are not acceptable in writing, guys, because that's where the standard of writing is actually right now at. So guys, I can't stress enough, and these are free tools, guys. Okay, so guys, don't just go with what you can write. You might be the best grammar correction person, but please still keep using Grammarly and Hemingway app and try to understand what is the best way of creating or writing a sentence. And guys, write it short, make it crisp, and make sure that you don't add a lot of adverbs and other fillers. Okay, the less the fillers, the more the content, the more the intent, and the more the value, the more people will read and they will reciprocate the same way, guys. Okay, this is, guys, my shortest and best way of hacking through writing anytime. Okay, and what I do is, I generally, whenever I think of a topic which I have to write, I actually create a structure to the story. Okay, or